Dry grinding versus wet grinding in mineral processing, powder manufacturing, and new energy material production. Grinding is the most critical and most energy-consuming process. It accounts for up to 60% of total plant power consumption and directly determines your production cost, product quality, and overall efficiency. If you are running a milling or mineral processing plant, you must clearly understand the difference between dry grinding and wet grinding. Many factories suffer from high energy waste, low powder quality, and fast media wear simply because of mismatched grinding processes. First, let's look at dry grinding. Dry grinding processes materials without any water or liquid medium. The whole production relies on mechanical impact and air classification. Its biggest advantage is low investment and simple operation. It requires no water circulation, no slurry system, and no dewatering or drying equipment. That makes it perfect for water-scarce areas and heat-sensitive materials. For large-scale coarse powder production such as cement, coal powder, and limestone, dry grinding is still the most cost-effective choice. However, dry grinding has obvious limitations. It produces heavy dust, causes severe equipment and media abrasion, and easily leads to powder agglomeration. It cannot support ultrafine grinding or high-purity powder production, which restricts its application in high-end manufacturing. In contrast, wet grinding processes materials in water-based slurry, with water's lubrication, cooling, and dispersion effects. Wet grinding reduces overall energy consumption by 10 to 30%. It greatly lowers machine and grinding media wear, eliminates dust, pollution, and explosion risks, and produces ultra-fine uniform, high-purity powder. That is why wet grinding is the standard process for ore beneficiation. Lithium battery materials, advanced ceramics, and high-value fine chemical powder. It improves mineral dissociation, increases flotation recovery rate, and delivers stable nano-level grinding performance. The only downside of wet grinding is higher upfront investment, because it requires complete slurry conveying, circulating water, and wastewater treatment systems. So how do you choose correctly? Choose dry grinding if you need dry powder output, have limited water resources, or focus on low-cost coarse powder mass production. Choose wet grinding if you pursue ultrafine particle size, high product purity, long-term energy saving, and safe, environmentally friendly production. To sum up, dry grinding brings you capacity and low initial cost, while wet grinding brings you quality, stability, and long-term profit. Matching the right grinding process with professional grinding media is the simplest way to optimize your plant efficiency and reduce operational costs.